The following is a paid advertisement for Trader 2000 brought to you by Day Trade Technologies. The success stories of David Thoroughman and others appearing on this show represent only those individuals. As with any trade, you can make more or less.
Every success story starts with a dream. Have you ever dreamed about financial independence? Working from home? How about more time with your family? Well, people just like you are living that dream, all because of the Trader 2000 Home Seminar.
I took 15 full points out of Yahoo, and it was a trade took about 4 hours, and I made $6,000.
Profited about $4,800 off of that trade, and like I said, in about 30 minutes.
I made $30,000 in one day.
Learn how the stock market really works and how the rich get richer. Discover the secrets to successful online trading and how trading from home can net you hundreds, even thousands of dollars every time you log on. Watch actual trades being executed, listen to analysis from expert online traders, and learn risk-free how to spot opportunities other investors miss. Make money whether the markets go up or down. Have a pencil ready because the next few minutes are going to change your life forever. Enjoy the life you've always dreamed of and learn the secret to making your fortune on the stock market with the Trader 2000 Home Seminar.
Hello, I'm Brian Borg. Would you like to live in a home like this? Drive a nice car and not worry about retirement? I mean, what about your children's education? Well, you've probably already heard of people across the country making fortunes trading stocks over the internet. Well, until recently, you had to study complicated books, analyze confusing charts, or even carve time out of your busy schedule to attend a seminar before even making a trade. Then you'd call a stockbroker at a brokerage house. Your stockbroker would call a floor broker at the exchange. The floor broker would find the area where your stock is being traded and then execute the transaction. But today, there's a new world of opportunities because you can access most stock exchanges electronically. There are over 5 million people trading online with literally billions of dollars changing hands. Welcome to the age of the internet. You don't need to place a market order with a broker anymore. Plus, you're saving money by cutting out the middleman, the stockbroker, who takes a commission whether your trade makes money or not. And then there's the obvious freedom and convenience of working from your home, office, or wherever. But where do you go to learn the secrets of online trading? Well, one way is to take a couple of days off work and pay thousands of dollars for an expensive seminar. Or you can do what people all across the country are doing. Learn in the comfort of your own home at a fraction of the cost with this, the Trader 2000 Home Seminar. Now, I know what you're thinking, that it's too complicated, but it isn't. You see, actual online training is very simple when explained like this in easy to understand terms. Plus, you can learn risk-free with a simulated trading program until you're ready to dive into actual trades. Now, this truly is a risk-free educational tool. And then, when you're ready to learn the right way to trade, the way seasoned professionals do, anyone can be successful trading right out of your own home.
Well, the market's very easy to profit from once you understand the basics. Once you realize how the stocks move, what generates the movements, what the trends are, and how to trade them. It's very profitable. When you have a product like the Trader 2000, it's easy to learn from this and go ahead and apply these principles to the market.
You can start with it entirely risk-free. You can do paper trading, you can trade yourself without actually executing the trades, and there's absolutely zero risk to it. And that was really important to me, especially in the learning stages.
David Thoroughman, president of Day Trade Technologies, co-created the Trader 2000 Home Seminar. He's a top online trader with a golden touch at the computer keyboard. Every city David visits, hundreds of people just like you come to hear him speak. David gives his students a competitive advantage over other online traders by sharing his proven techniques for success. The same information you'll find in Trader 2000. David, welcome. It's good to see you.
Hi, Brian. Good to see you.
Tell me, I know you've been very successful as an online trader. How did you come up with the idea of the Trader 2000 Home Seminar?
Well, Brian, like most people, I finished school. I worked for a Fortune 500 company, thought everything was great, but I found myself extremely limited with the time as well as financial potential that I really wanted in my life. Once I developed trading, once I learned what I could do with it and started practicing the principles that I've learned and as well have been taught, I've been able to have the freedom that I want as well as the financial independence to go along with that.
So you've personally been successful at online trading already?
Absolutely. I wouldn't be up here if I didn't think that you could actually make money from doing it. And that's one of the great things about this program is we patterned it much after the things that I was doing on a consistent basis, as well as what other people have done to teach me how to do it.
Because it's made you very successful.
Right.
Online trading has been good for you.
Right.
But what about everybody at home? I mean, this is something new. This is something that technology has made available to the general public that they've never had before.
Right.
And now there's a home product, Trader 2000, that they can learn and be as successful as you have right here online.
Yeah, see, I am a trader. I'm not a professional speaker. I don't go out there because I'm trying to make a living off of doing seminars. I actually trade every single day, and I do it very, very well. And I want to take those techniques that I've learned and give them to everybody.
So David, show us some of the trades that you cover in the Trader 2000 home seminar.
Sure. We got the software program running right now. This is, we're looking at Dell Computer right now. And it looks like we have a strong sell-off just early in the day right now, and it looks like it's starting to bounce up. So I'm just going to double-click right here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the buy button, which indicates I'm just sent a trade through. I want to buy 1,000 shares of Dell at 36 3/4, and look at that, I already have my confirmation. So we own this stock at 36 3/4.
That was too quick. I don't
that
think
was
I was
very
ready.
quick. Yeah. We think the Dell Computer is kind of oversold, at least on a short-term basis. So we're looking for somewhat of a technical bounce where we can take an 1/8 or a 1/4 point out of the stock, which on 1,000 shares is $125 to $250.
Right. And we can do that. How long will it take us to get that bounce?
Well, as we're looking at this, we just placed this trade roughly 10:17 and 24 seconds. We actually placed it at 10:17 and 19 seconds. So we had our confirmation back in less than 6 seconds.
Good gracious.
Absolutely. And so with this type of information, with this type of technology, it enables us to get in and out very, very quickly.
Right. And the Trader 2000 home seminar tells you how to use this and to profit from
That's exactly right, Brian. The Trader 2000 home seminar program will actually show you from beginning to end how to enter a trade profitably and get out with a short-term profit.
I bought a tech stock at its relative low for the day, and I rode that stock up 15 points. That tech stock, I'd been using the skills that I learned in Trader 2000 and bought into it for its low for the week. After 4 hours later, that stock went up 15 points, and I made $6,000. What I've been doing as a hobby, simply for the fun of it, I realized that I could spend more time. It's worth me to spend a little bit more energy focusing on what I was doing in trading these stocks. And in a true day trade, simply a 4-hour trade intraday, I could do very well and make a good amount of money at what I consider low risk, given the information sources that I have and the knowledge I have from Trader 2000.
Part of your program is the fact that you can actually use a simulated trading to do actual trading online that's risk-free and without using your real money until you feel comfortable enough with trading with real money.
Yes, absolutely. Part of the benefits of this program is we teach you the principles, the techniques, and then you can apply them without actually risking your money.
And this is simulated trading that's actual, and it's real, it's online.
It is real. You're using live information, real data, and the biggest benefit, I should say, is that you're not actually risking your capital as you start learning and applying those techniques.
You can't lose. You can only learn, actually, from the experience.
Right. The whole series, the whole video series that we've produced is geared around taking things that have worked consistently, and if you apply those principles on a consistent basis, you will make money.
With the full series of Trader 2000, you're looking at a full educational course of teaching you how to trade online. Then you take that to a simulated program so you don't waste your money in the marketplaces and learn at your own pace. So the simulated program actually runs the market at a certain time, just like you would be trading NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange when the market hours are open. It's the same market, it's the same bid, it's the same ask, all the same players are there, it's just not hitting the marketplace. So the simulated program is truly just like trading online, except for you don't have to have that worry
that you're going to lose your money each time you make a mistake.
Let's get back here and look at to see how we're doing. We bought Dell Computer at 1017 at 36 3/4. And we're already up 1/8 of a point, which on 1,000 shares is $125. And not more than 15-20 minutes have elapsed. That's $125 we've made in 15 minutes.
That's not bad.
So let's go ahead and get ready. Yeah, not bad at all. Let's go ahead and get ready to sell this stock and take our profit. Remember, right now it's paper profit, so until we actually sell it, we don't know what we've made. But we're going to put the offer out here. The order is now live. If you can get a close-in of our order entry screen, and look there, we're going to sell 1,000 shares of Dell at 36 7/8. Again, if you notice, come up here to level 2 screen. If you notice, we're looking to offer the stock out on the ask side, which means we're not having to go through the spread. And there you go. There's our fill. We just sold 800 shares so far of our 1,000 share block. And there it all goes. We just sold 1,000 shares. Look at that. Not more than 11 minutes later with a $125 profit. And by the way, all the information that you're looking at, it might seem confusing, but we go through this in depth on the program. We teach you from start to finish how to use the tools to become a more profitable online trader.
If you want to be successful and you want to make money instead of losing money, you want to have as much education and as much knowledge as possible. And Trader 2000 empowers you with knowledge and will enable you to be successful and a winner in the market opposed to the loser.
I don't think there's anything out there comparable to Trader 2000.
When we come back, we'll visit with a top financial planner from one of the largest financial institutions in the country.
Knowledge is a powerful thing, and if you know how to use it, you can be successful, you can make a lot of money, and you can do what you want.
But now, here's your chance to order the Trader 2000 Home Seminar.
Wouldn't life be incredible if you never had to worry about money again? Then stop living paycheck to paycheck and call for the Trader 2000 Home Seminar, a complete guide to online trading. You could spend up to $5,000 attending an online trading seminar. Well, the secrets of the stock market are no longer reserved for the wealthy. Start living your dreams. Take control of your financial future and learn proven techniques risk-free, all from the comfort of your home and at your own pace. People have paid thousands to learn these trading principles and realize their dreams of financial independence and freedom. Now all of David Thoroughman's online trading secrets can be yours if you call now. There's over 3 hours of information, including actual trades being executed live. Learn how to analyze moves by market makers, identify advantageous entry and exit points, how to set up long and short positions, beat the spread, and more. Filled with graphs, charts, and illustrations, the Trader 2000 manual takes you step by step through the entire process of successful online trading. You'll learn how to reduce your exposure, build confidence, and maximize profits. But best of all, Trader 2000 will teach you how to become a disciplined trader who knows how to avoid mistakes like buying at the wrong price, giving back profits, and focusing on the wrong areas. Get practical experience trading risk-free on a simulated program that's tied into real markets. Evaluate your progress each day, and when you decide, start making actual trades with confidence. Bottom line, the Trader 2000 Home Seminar will change your life and show you how to put your money to work for you. So don't sit on the sidelines. Trader 2000 teaches you everything you need to create a better life for you and your family, all for less than what you could make with a single well-placed trade. The Trader 2000 Home Seminar regularly sells for $345. But through this special television offer, you make 4 payments of only $49.75. That's right, only 4 easy payments of only $49.75. That's $145 off the regular price and comes with a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee.
Use our risk-free trading techniques for 30 days. And if you're not convinced that this is the best guide for trading stocks, in fact, if you don't think that you can make money trading online, then send the product back and I'll personally refund your money.
And if you call before the end of the show, you'll also receive the certificate for an advanced training class live with David. This class is a $1,000 value and it's yours with your purchase of Trader 2000. Ask questions, take notes, see actual trades being made. But you must call before the end of the show to receive the advanced training certificate and the special television price. To order, have your credit card ready and call 1-800-TELEPHONE-NUMBER. That's 1-800-TELEPHONE-NUMBER. Or send check or money order to the address on your screen. Please allow 4 to 6 weeks for delivery. That number again is 1-800-TELEPHONE-NUMBER. Call now.
Maybe you're like me and you didn't know the difference between trading and investing. Or maybe you're wondering, does this really work? And could it work for me? Well, results will vary for every individual. But I guarantee you this, if you're willing to spend just a few minutes a day learning the information in Trader 2000, it'll change the way you look at trading and it could change your life forever.
I took 15 full points out of Yahoo, and it was the trade took about 4 hours, and I made $6,000.
I profited about $4,800 off of that trade, and like I said, in about 30 minutes.
I made $30,000 in one day.
David, after going through the entire Trader 2000 home seminar, what are some of the trades that you'd be able to execute?
Well, Brian, we teach you how to identify different stock trades such that whether the market's going up or going down, you can make money.
So you can make money using your system no matter what the market's doing.
Absolutely. The principles that we teach you within Trader 2000, you can identify stock trades in a market whether it's going up or going down and still make the same amount of money.
What's interesting is you think these are the things that the experts are doing every day.
Every day they do it.
We're not aware of that.
Absolutely. And that's all aspects of trading, getting in and getting out for that short-term move. What's going on right now that's forcing that stock to move?
Now, what kind of trade specifically are we talking about here? I heard you say something about gap trading. Or...
Sure. Let's look at one. I'm just going to pull up a chart right now of, let's look at America Online.
Okay.
Yesterday, you'll notice the stock, and this is, if we can get a close-up here, this stock closed roughly at 109.5. Well, the very following day, futures were very negative. The stock opened up extremely low. It opened up right around 106. Well, that stock gapped down $3.50 from just yesterday to today.
Now, wait a minute here. So it changed overnight.
It changed overnight exactly because there was not enough buyers to support the price at where it closed at yesterday. And so when they opened the stock, being the market makers or the specialists, they said, okay, we think there's support at 106.5.
Right.
Or 106 in this case. They opened it at 106, and it traded as high as 109.5 in the first 15 minutes of trading.
Just 3 points, just
3.5 points in 15 minutes, yes. Wow. And we teach you in the Trader 2000 series how to identify to make a trade when the stock market or when the individual stock is gapped up or gapped down, when the futures are moving, what's moving the futures. If the stock is coming down very, very quickly, you can short it, and we'll get more in depth in terms of what shorting is. But there's more to trading the market than just buying and forgetting about it 2, 3, 5 years down the road.
The Trader 2000 actually enables us to look on the more short term, to say this can supplement our income for now, as opposed to waiting until we're 65.
Stocks go down a lot quicker than they go up. So the long-term investor is actually not benefiting as much as the short-term trader is, because you can ride it both ways and it doesn't matter which way it goes. You're going to make money either way.
And with Trader 2000, I know exactly the price of the stock, I can execute my order, and I know exactly the profit I'm going to take.
We're looking at Cisco Systems right now, which is a NASDAQ stock. Now, I'm going to go ahead and double-click on the Level 2 screen, and I'll explain that a little bit more in depth. But I'm going to try and buy 1,000 shares at 61 5/16 because I think this stock's going up. On the top left is what you call the Level 2 data screen, which actually shows you where the market makers are, whether they're buying or selling stock.
Oh, that's very interesting.
Exactly. So you just see this red order right here is live, means that the order is actually it's in the system and it can be hit, and it's a limit order, so providing that the stock is actually trading at this price range, it'll fill instantaneously.
All right. So you're waiting then to go ahead and buy the stock?
Exactly. I put out a live order to buy it. Because what I'm looking at is, in terms of the chart, I think the chart looks very good for it. It seems to be trending up nicely towards the end of the day.
That's exactly where the stock is at on that chart.
That's correct. Yes, that's correct. This stock seems to be going up quickly, and I'm not getting what you call the fill. So I'm going to go ahead and put out a price a little bit higher than where it's currently trading at to kind of preface the order. And again, that's another technique that we go through on this series to show you how to get in and get out of stocks quickly, efficiently, and profitably. But let's look at where we're at right now. Cisco is currently at 61.5, and we were able to get 1,000 shares of it, and the stock seems to be trending up nicely. So as you can see, the order was filled. It's actually placed. And if we can get a close-up of our order entry screen, you actually can see that we bought 1,000 shares at 61.5. And if you just reference the dynamic ticker, it's going up nicely. And again, this might seem like a lot of information to digest right now, but we go through it in depth on the training program, and you can review it, you can rewind it, watch it over again, read about the principles, read about the techniques until you thoroughly understand it. You do not have to be perfect. You do not have to be able to pick the bottom or the top to make money at it. This, for instance, we bought this stock at 61.5.
Right.
It's up almost 1/4 of a point right
amazing.
now.
Right.
And we could literally sell it at 61 3/4
Okay.
and take a real quick $250 profit. If you look right now on our dynamic ticker, they're buying 61 3/4, which is 1/4 of a point on 1,000 shares.
Right.
Is $250. So I'm just going to put it out there. And if you notice, this is only 10 minutes later than when we just bought it. So it's not a lot of time that's gone, that's passed from when we bought this stock to when we want to sell it.
Right. Well, but the great thing here, of course, is the fact that your program allows you to simulate actual trading, online.
Everything that we teach you, all the concepts within this series, you can apply, and you can apply them risk-free until your confidence level is there, such that you can go out there and actually buy and sell stock and do it consistently profitable.
You can read books all day long, but Trader 2000 allows you to be able to actually view the market.
Trader 2000 makes it extremely easy. You pop in the video, you watch the videos, you follow the manual, and they even tell you where to go to hook up and start trading.
Imagine being able to pay off your credit card debt, buy that dream home, or afford college for your children. This wealth of knowledge will literally change your life. Now look what you get. This easy-to-read manual with examples of actual trades, plus a 90-minute videotape covering everything you need to know to start online trading, plus a second 90-minute videotape of practical online trades being done live by David. It's like you're sitting right over his shoulder to see the do's and don'ts of online trading. But if you call before the end of the show, you'll also receive this certificate entitling you to attend an advanced trading class live with David. Now this in itself is a $1,000 value, and it's yours with your purchase of Trader 2000. But you must call before the end of the show for this special TV offer and the advanced trading class.
Over the years, David has received letters and emails from other successful online traders using the principles explained in Trader 2000. Listen to what America thinks about Trader 2000.
After I saw your trade logs for the year, I was really impressed. You even
After attending this seminar, I left knowing 10 times what I expected.
After watching the tape and learning that with education and discipline, the markets almost became simple.
Thank you for explaining the risks and rewards of the market in an easy-to-understand fashion.
Become successful in the market. Thank you.
Most people have a computer in their home now, and that's where they're going to do the trading is online. They have access to a lot more information. Usually they have access to more information than we have. Knowledge is very powerful. It's obvious people are thirsty for information, and they want to know how to do it. This is a great vehicle to learn.
Becoming a successful online trader brings you a lot of power. I mean, not only financial security, but you make your own hours, become your own boss. And with a laptop, you have the freedom to trade when and where you like. And when you decide, close out all your positions, sell your stock, and lock in your profits for the day. Imagine it, a steady stream of spendable cash. It's not a job, it's a dream come true.
When we come back, meet others who are realizing their financial dreams through David's breakthrough online trading system. Have a pencil ready because now is your chance to order your own copy of Trader 2000.
Wouldn't life be incredible if you never had to worry about money again? Then stop living paycheck to paycheck and call for the Trader 2000 Home Seminar, a complete guide to online trading. You could spend up to $5,000 attending an online trading seminar. Well, the secrets of the stock market are no longer reserved for the wealthy. Start living your dreams. Take control of your financial future and learn proven techniques risk-free, all from the comfort of your home and at your own pace. People have paid thousands to learn these trading principles and realize their dreams of financial independence and freedom. Now all of David Thoroughman's online trading secrets can be yours if you call now. There's over 3 hours of information, including actual trades being executed live. Learn how to analyze moves by market makers, identify advantageous entry and exit points, how to set up long and short positions, beat the spread, and more. Filled with graphs, charts, and illustrations, the Trader 2000 manual takes you step by step through the entire process of successful online trading. You'll learn how to reduce your exposure, build confidence, and maximize profits. But best of all, Trader 2000 will teach you how to become a disciplined trader who knows how to avoid mistakes like buying at the wrong price, giving back profits, and focusing on the wrong areas. Get practical experience trading risk-free on a simulated program that's tied into real markets. Evaluate your progress each day, and when you decide, start making actual trades with confidence. Bottom line, the Trader 2000 Home Seminar will change your life and show you how to put your money to work for you. So don't sit on the sidelines. Trader 2000 teaches you everything you need to create a better life for you and your family, all for less than what you could make with a single well-placed trade. The Trader 2000 Home Seminar regularly sells for $345, but through this special television offer, you make 4 payments of only $49.75. That's right, only 4 easy payments of only $49.75. That's $145 off the regular price and comes with a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee.
Use our risk-free trading techniques for 30 days, and if you're not convinced that this is the best guide for trading stocks, in fact, if you don't think that you can make money trading online, then send the product back and I'll personally refund your money.
And if you call before the end of the show, you'll also receive the certificate for an advanced training class live with David. This class is a $1,000 value and it's yours with your purchase of Trader 2000. Ask questions, take notes, see actual trades being made. But you must call before the end of the show to receive the advanced training certificate and the special television price. To order, have your credit card ready and call 1-800-TELEPHONE-NUMBER. That's 1-800-TELEPHONE-NUMBER. Or send check or money order to the address on your screen. Please allow 4 to 6 weeks for delivery. That number again is 1-800-TELEPHONE-NUMBER. Call now.
The explosive growth in the online industry has really prompted us to put together an educational product that's far head and shoulders above anything that's on the market to help the layman become a better quality trader, someone who can go out there and make money consistently, and with that enjoy the lifestyle, the freedom that they want. And we firmly believe that with this product you too can enjoy the lifestyle and the freedom and the quality that you've always wanted.
David, we've heard from students who've used your Trader 2000 home seminar and the incredible success that they've had.
Absolutely. That's one of the biggest benefits, is being able to go into my office or log onto my computer wherever I'm at and get those emails and get those testimonials and hear the stories about how it's transformed their life,
right,
how they've been able to have the life that they've wanted, spend the time, the genuine quality time they want with their family, and have the financial independence to go along with that.
It's an incredible product, an incredible opportunity, and we thank you very, very much for sharing this with all of us.
Thank you, Brian.
Thanks, David. Well, folks, now it's your turn to do something positive for yourself. So pick up the phone, call the 800 number on your screen right now, and order the Trader 2000 home seminar. You'll be glad you did.
Isn't it time you took charge of your own life? Do you want to wake up tomorrow and go spend another day working for someone else? Or would you rather sit down at your computer and make thousands of dollars? But wouldn't you like to be financially secure, not worry about your children's education, your parents' health, your own retirement, or mounting credit card debt? Success is learned, so do something good for yourself right now. Order the Trader 2000 home seminar risk-free for 30 days. Execute trades risk-free while you evaluate the course. And if you don't believe Trader 2000 is everything we've said, return it for a full refund, no questions asked. Trader 2000 will show you everything you need to know to achieve your financial dreams and a better life for you and your family. And these results can happen to you, but not if you don't call. So take the first step and order Trader 2000 now.
I think that you can quit whatever job you're doing, and as a successful trader, I think that you can make it a full-time job.
It's going to offer you an opportunity to earn a substantial income, and most importantly to me, it's going to give you freedom. Freedom from maybe your traditional job, the time to spend with your family, your friends. You can do this from anywhere in the world. So with Trader 2000, it offers you income, freedom, and opportunity.
While there's no clear and exact formula for developing profits from the stock market, there are proven approaches and corresponding indicators that support their cause. All experiences are different, results may vary. You could make more or less. Some of the people on this show were compensated for their appearance. The proceeding was a paid advertisement for Trader 2000 brought to you by Day Trade Technologies.
I think that you can quit whatever job you're in.